Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and access Display. Now scroll down again and click on this sweater next to Auto Rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!